Hello, my people. How una dey? Today is another very borostic day. I welcome una gidigbaciously. I double twirl for una. This now una favorite program, Naija Tori. The program when they one step ahead for television. The program will get level past other programs for television. The program where they make other programs for TV they believe say that they inferior. Una know as it dey be. E not get as e hard reach. Tamara go always know how to pronounce the papa name. My name na Big Tony, the face that runs the place. Well, today we get one powerful tata for Yanya. I dey tell you, the tata for Yanya dey very powerful and na something wey dey involve everybody. Because for this life wey we dey so, if you not be man, you go be woman. And before you become woman or man, you first be boy or girl. The topic be say, e good make parents give special attention to boy than to girl. Una know the way they be now for Africa and most part of the world. When they born boy, family go dey jubilate, everybody they happy, everybody they dance, they born boy, they born boy, they born boy. But when they born babe, you can't be like saying only a few guys, now they celebrate, only a few guys they jubilate. The entire family, some go behave like say not concerned, they born woman, they born pikin. But for man, they go dey happy. Why? It good me that they give special attention to boys. We want to know. If reasons they we want to know the reasons why they're supposed to give them attention. If reasons not there, we will talk all of them today. So now the tata for Yanya be that. But when I not say it's not easy to roast goat when rain beat o. If rain beat goat to roast them na double wahala. Only me not fit deserve this topic. I get one person for studio when go help us discuss this topic. But I'm not going to unveil the person yet. We'll match small break for here. When we come back from this break, I go tell you who the person be. Man, I not go anywhere. My people, una welcome back. Oh. Yes, so like I tell you, our tata for Yanya today, they're very simple. It good may they give special attention to boy than to girls. That's the thing we want here today. And like I tell you now, I get one powerful person for studio who will help us discuss this topic. Ladies and gentlemen, Mona Jeremy, will give 3 gun salute. Puyaka, Puyaka, Puyaka to the one and only Perpetua Adefemi.
My people now do.
Yes, so.
Now welcome for this topic where we get today, so.
Correct. So, Auntie Pepe, how you look this matter? So, it good me they give special attention to boy than to girl.
My brother, this kind of question when you ask, so it be as a ghetto. Because from time immemorial as we dey talk am,
Yeah.
our people believe say man get special place for family.
Yeah.
And that special place make am dey on top woman. So because of that, they come dey make man make it come dey superior somehow to women. But for me, man, woman, all na the same. No special attention, no special anything. Because now the way you train pikin, now you go take grow, whether it be man or it be woman. That not for me. But for Africa and for our Nigeria, gong. Them they like make them get man pikin, make it day up, pass woman on. Cause I remember for my mama time, my mama tell me say the man they waiting for their family. They send them go school. The women no go. They say because woman grow finish, he go man house, go marry.
Yeah.
Say if they train woman, na waste of money na it be. That kind thing be as e get to. Because as me and you will know, say today woman, it not be like that time woman.
Yeah.
Then they do pass waiting some men they do.
Not true.
So because of that, me I go say no special attention or special training for man. The same training you give to man, give am to woman. So that it go grow the proper way we're supposed to grow as begin when it don't become full man.
But whether if you look at like that, I feel you, I know where they come from, and my sentiment there with you, but when we look at them like this, whether we like them or not, man and woman, we get our own way where we do things. For example now, babe, naturally, they like to express their emotions well. You understand? But it gets some kind of emotions, some kind of things when babe they express, when man not go feel express. If you express and they say, hey, see, I'm a woman, it be. You don't understand? So naturally, the society and nature make us understand say man supposed they call a macho, supposed they strong, supposed they tough. So if imagine say me and you now with somewhere now, somebody come threaten us, then instead when I go stand say, hey, you not do that kind of thing. Now me come the cry say, hey, you will be woman, and you come stand say, this kind of thing not happen. People could just say, hey, see them all. Now the woman and be man, now man and be woman. So you not believe say because of the role when society don't give men as the tougher one, we suppose stand, we suppose they macho. Say somehow, if you not give men special treatment, they go lag behind for that role where they play.
True small, not true finish.
Okay, explain, make I hear.
Because if man, true, for those days I still they refer to, because me I sit down with my mama.
Yeah.
No tete before I come out, come Lagos.
Yeah.
So many things now she tell me. Wetin make man be like say he dey superior? Again, as I even dey talk now, it come happen say I remember even the way they take create us.
Okay.
Say na man na first come.
First come, yeah.
Then they can't take rib, only one. That's tiny, that small rib bone for side here. Can't take create woman. So they can't look that one and say woman when they create like that, you know if you get the same power or the same privilege where the man gets. Say man must go up past woman. And those days, man, if they go war, go fight.
Yeah.
To defend
the family and the community.
Defend the community.
Yeah.
Defend anything when he get to defend, now the man I go come out gidigba.
Yeah.
Say this one nothing happen for here.
True.
The woman then go their house.
Yeah.
They take care of home front.
Yeah.
If we can't look at like that, we go say man get to get special training or special treatment.
Yeah.
If you can't look at him again the other way, because as the man gets his own, as a woman gets oh. Woman in their house, now you know how good they go. Now if you tell man say, oh boy, or my husband, or my oga, this one, if you do one like this, it go. And man, when he gets sense, they listen to woman.
Yeah.
And you go to get the thing where they look for. That na the one where God give to woman, what they call woman sense. When they take the lead woman.
Okay.
So that's why I thought say a good small na true for small place and not true for another place. Because the things where woman they do, man not fit do am. Man get power, man not dey born now. Na true talk now, my people, I be I lie. Man not fit carry belly, if you carry belly na abomination. So if we look that one, we go talk and say, God when he create us, create woman, create man. He not create one, make it pass one. He give this one, waiting this one not fit get. He give this that one, waiting this other one not fit get. So and then they come meet for middle. Feed they use those things, the one I get, the one you get, we'll bring them together, it may become one. Now make man and woman become one.
Okay, now as they talk these things, so kind of things just run through my mind now. For example, now you get some things when men they do, when women they do like you talk, but you get some when the two they do, or when the two fit do, but society they view them differently. For example, see as you carry this hair now, most women get natural hair well long like this. Now, if you carry your natural hair long like this, people go see them as something normal. But imagine say, I can't keep my hair around long like that. People go they look me one kind now, say, how man go to carry long hair? You don't understand? I should just say, if you carry dreadlocks, they waka, now fashion. But if man carry dreadlock, SARS go arrest them. They say a criminal. Sure you understand? So the society they put pressure on man.
Now time in memorial that one don't dig ground. Say now waiting man go wear be this. Now waiting woman go wear be this. Now how man go take dress be this. Now how woman not take dress be this. It be like where woman they get long nails. They go leave them. But when you see man when they get long, they go look and begin. So which kind of human being be this one? Because now waiting our society don't put for granted. Now we they follow. But it don't reach time when it be say, guess some things there when it good though. But some things get the way it be say we get to correct. Like for instance, they say man not the enter kitchen. Say now woman get kitchen. But I want to tell my people say that one not correct oh. Because as far as I know, say, or we all know, say, everybody must put something for this our belly. Nobody will not enter kitchen. No. And at that when I take praise my family, say, sorry, I they bring my family up because
no, but you not get how you go fit talk this kind of say you're not going to use your personal example.
No boy, now all of us now man, no men and women. No man for my family will not sabi cook. And if man fit cook, how much more woman for my family? So I give hand for my family for that one. So if you get man picking, I beg, let him enter kitchen. Teach him how to cook. From small picking, boy, go bring water, come for me. And you want cook rice, so yeah, come, make I teach you how they take it. Put water, make it day like this. How many cups? And if you, my man knows I be measure. And now that's a nice spoil me. I know they measure anything. Now my eye take the gauge. And they take the gauge with like that. One put salt for soup when they cook. Now I take the gauge. I know they sabi say put 2 spoons. Put it not there for my family, not there for my nature.
Experience.
So, now experience. Put them do it like this, do it like this. When you teach this boy picking, I tell you, by the time he go grow, there somewhere tomorrow, he go take and do better. We get plenty of our men where they open restaurant today now.
Yes, we get milk chef now.
Well, where they exactly. Where they do all these things. So if you not all say now only woman get to the cook. You see, I say yeah, why don't gas for one corner be that?
True, not true.
So my dear brother, me and I will leave her for that place.
I support that idea of similar teach men how to cook because I get similar experience. And I meet my mama first speaking and she teach me how to cook. By the time I did like 6 or 8 years old, I don't cook for the whole house.
You see?
Because my man a teacher, my partner a teacher, and we they close from school before they come. Before they reach us, I don't first reach us. Anything where they want cook that day, I don't prepare. And me and my younger ones don't eat our own. I don't leave their own for them. So, at that very young age, so nobody get any excuse to say you know if you learn how to cook because if I be some people go they argue say now because now you be the first child, your mama not get choice. No, I know other families where we say the first children are girls. As the boys, they follow them, then teach them. So na tradition, na family
so.
when know what they do, now they do that kind of thing.
So.
Okay, now more look so kind of things when, because they talk about girl and boy. Because if they grow up for society, as they grow up as a boy, they different from as they grow up as a girl. And then society, they put some kind of pressure on the two sides. Now, one part of the pressure they put on guys will make people believe say it didn't necessary to give them a special attention. And the fact say, you guys some kind of crimes where they could just hear say they commit. The first thing when go enter your head now, a man go commit them. For example, now, if I dey talk story and I say, they rape somebody for there. All these men are very useless. As if woman ain't the rape man. You understand? So all those kind of things, now part of why people to talk say, the kind of pressure when society they put on woman, the kind of attention, the kind of suspicion when they place on that male character, what they call boy, so it ain't necessary for them to get special attention. So that when they grow up, they go face all this pressure. What you got to say about that one?
Not true you talk, my brother. Because when they don't tell you, say, now waiting you be this, you go one follow them.
Yeah.
So that you no go fail. And even as you they follow that one too, it be like when you go to say, okay, you come out, you go learn book for school, you learn as you enter university.
Yeah.
Even as you they learn and they go, something go tell you for your sense, say, you supposed to put something for one side too, should in case.
Yeah.
Now they make people now that they go meet a dresser. Sorry, my people, I know so not correct well. But what thing that they try to talk now, you not go understand them. It get a dresser when they be say they not even fit right like my mama they talk for her days. Say person not fit take bottle yarn. She don't say bottle yarn don't form 0 already.
Yeah.
He say not fit take and write 0 for grand. So our people they like that. But that one not me say their brain not carry them. Their brain carry plenty things when it be say then they take they make their life better. And now this kind people, now our people, when they university, they go they meet for training, for hairdressing. And then go train them well. Then go learn them. Then go pass out. Then go get their certificate for pockets.
Yeah.
Before that big certificate go come, they don't get this other one put for pocket. They go where then they sew clothes. They go learn them. Man nko. The same way now, man look and say, I go get to be, some people say, you go do engineer work. You go school, go learn engineer work. You go school, go do doctor. But I don't put all these things for the head, say, because when you come out, they will call me mama doctor, mama lawyer. The man go dey struggle. You want to do this thing. Meanwhile, the place when he brain day, now don't carry and come out for there. Because you want to be doctor, you want to be lawyer.
Yeah.
You not come be waiting is supposed to be for life.
Yeah.
Then they'll cut us, this one a bunch of way be. God no go let us get that kind of.
God forbid.
Now be the thing when it happen, or when you go talk say, man get to get special training for this. Woman get to get no. In as much as we dey talk say yes, this na man work, this na man duty, this na man right. Make we let am, make we dey flexible. We use that small oyibo small enter am. Make our people dey flexible small.
Yeah.
So that our boy pikin go grow to become big man for life. Now that one I want beg.
Correct. Now, as you talk about roles when man they play, so one of the roles when they don't give man now, although they change small now because these days now some women they take up that role too. Now this role of breadwinner.
Don't tell where they don't change.
Say man, I be the breadwinner for the family. Whether we like him or not, it's still generally the rule, so to say. So then another thing when they make people they talk, okay, if you want to make your pikin really grow up to get that liver to perform as breadwinner, you got to give us some special treatment, special training when we prepare them. Because if you just leave them, you can't be breadwinner when we go sit down, stretch hand, put for ground, they wait, make your wife go the house to come.
The special training where you go give and say make them strong.
Okay.
You not go look papa hand to get 1 kobo. as they grow, they come. No be you talk and just now before you become before you reach 6 years, you don't they take care of family already.
Yeah.
Even though now papa, mama they supply the resources where you take they make all those things.
Yeah.
But they don't show you road, say
road, yeah.
you get to dey no responsible.
Mm-hmm.
If you make myself this one na lawyer you go be, they go read your book. Go read what you dey for. Go read your book. Before you want to go read your book, you know they do another thing.
Mm-hmm.
You go useless.
Yeah.
Because not only book matter. Now they make person become somebody for life. Book good though. Because without book, anything where you learn, you not put book joiner, you go fall later. And God not go let us see that kind one.
At all.
Because when you add book, it be like when I talk and just now say our people where they university that they learn something, join the book where they get. Now it be say when you get that book join, the book sense, it go let you know wetin you want do. Even pass the person when he train you, when you take get wetin you get. When you add that book sense join am.
Yeah.
Now it make am be say no go say make them put their eggs for one basket. Make them spread. Yeah. Free them, free our boy children, yeah. Free our women children.
Yeah, so that they go dey strong enough to perform the role which society give them.
Exactly.
Okay, now the way you dey yarn am so you dey yarn say e no good make dem give any special treatment to any of the two.
I no gree for that one.
Okay, so more will look this thing when they always say ladies first, ladies first, ladies first. If you not, if you dey argue say may they not give anyone special attention. Let me say the concept of ladies first, they useless now. Why would they say ladies first? Why?
It be like one function when I go. You know, say you go one address, go say ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
But this guy get up. He say
gentlemen.
Everybody go dey ask why this person dey behave like this? Because that's not the way when terrorism matter. How you gonna say ladies first?
Yeah.
I beg gentlemen first. After all, we superior persona. That be the meaning of that where they say gentlemen and ladies.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, it sound somehow when they say something they awkward. E not gel for ear. So for that reason, if you say ladies first. Now it's the same thing when the people say now where them waiting with the talk they come since. Say now where them put woman picking.
Yeah. Now
make am where it can't be ladies first. That lady first, as it takes start now, you will be woman, man. As you say me, so you go take care of me.
Okay. So now you don't get special attention now. You don't get special attention now. But the man when you need. The man will need that power to take care of you, so you say you don't need special attention. You see the matter, so? No, as soon as it start society say, woman not get power. Woman soft. But you believe so woman soft. Me and now I tell you say, me and you know wetin dey happen. We know wetin dey ground. Go on. Me and you know wetin dey ground. Okay.
Man and woman, we get where we stand.
True.
So when we say ladies first, as society take arrange them, now make can come be ladies first.
Okay.
When it be say anywhere you go see where even they go party, you want go, the man go take and hold the woman.
Yeah.
They guide them like say he not feel waka by himself. He want open, the one enter motor, he go open the door for her. Make it sit down.
Yeah.
Then they for function as all of us with the round table, they like this, as all of us stand, the lady go sit down before the man go sit down. Now be the ladies first when they talk.
Okay, so in that particular aspect, you determine as the ladies deserve special attention.
No, give us.
You dey give her back to me, that we give her. And una no wan give us anyone. Una no wan give the men special attention. Yet una wan make the man be the brave man. We go protect una. We go do everything. Okay, we will soon go one small break because we would like to make our people for street tell us what they think about the topic. But before we go that break, I just want me to give us very briefly. You get one particular issue when I just want to bring about this boy and girl matter. You know, say for house, at a particular age, children get to leave parents, come up for house, go live their own life. Now, it can't be like the society. At some age, they will just say, boy, don't be strong enough to go, they go allow and go house. But for babe, let's say they protect them more. The kind of age where they allow boy go outside, they need to allow girls for that kind of age.
That thing, not only for Nigeria, they happen.
Okay.
It dey all over the world, even for Igbo land. If girl pikin never enter 21, they never see am and say e don dey mature. Man pikin never enter 18, they never see am say e mature.
Okay.
So as man pikin enter 18, most Oyibo land, they go don dey tell am say make e find e level.
Okay. So now we say the general idea be say man the mature pass woman, or the quick mature than woman.
Na so dem think.
Yet na no one give them special attention.
Na so dem
okay,
think.
you not believe say na so it be. My people, we go match small break for here. When we come back, we will continue this discussion. At least more we go street, go here with our people for street. They talk about this our tata. It good make they give pikin, that's man pikin, special attention than woman pikin. I bet when I not go anywhere when they come back.
My country people, how na dey? My name na Mr. Peace, MC with a biggie swag. As I dey yarn, as you dey hear, as you dey go. The name of the program wey you dey watch, na be Yarn Your Own on Top Naija Tori, and e dey happen inside Super Scream TV. You dey where you dey, I dey where I dey, we no fit jam body, and you wan be part of this program, oya alele sharp sharp. Follow us on top Instagram and Twitter at Super Scream TVNG. Make you not forget to follow me where they here, they do the talking as I dey talking the talking at Mr. Peace Official. My country people, today we dey talk man pikin and woman pikin, which one parents suppose dey give attention pass, na the matter for today. Before we enter this matter, make we run go for small sharp break. Make you not touch that dial, make your finger for now. good make parents give attention to boy than girl for family?
It's good. It's good make dem give attention to girl because girl they get a simple mind, but boy man can live on his own, but girl he get a life before them. You know where man fit dey, girl woman no fit dey.
Man pikin and woman pikin, which one parents, papa and mama suppose dey give attention pass?
It's both of the two. When you born the boy and girl, God give you the two. You already know that when you feed the boy, you want to feed the girl because you don't know the one you can. When you old, you can know the one. A man, if a man, he can between, he can let.
You talk about pidgin.
I cannot talk it to you.
Good make parents give attention to boy than girl for family.
I can say it's good, but it's not normally good because both of them they are shy. So what boy can do, girl can also do it.
So why you can't say it good?
That is why I say the reason why make me say it's good as not say when it is time, girl will go to his own husband house, and it is the boy that will remain for the house that will bear the name of the family, that made the name of the family to be extended. That is why I say it's good.
Yes, it's good.
Why?
Because the girl he go his husband house while the man go sit there for house with the papa na him make am.
So the man not go his wife house?
He go but if the girl don go na him go dey close to him papa na and the boy go dey close to him papa, so him papa go return am some things. So he go let her go sha, but e dey good wey papa get at ten tion for the man than the girl.
A boy pikin na parents suppose dey give attention pass or girl?
The two are the same now.
So make dem give attention to the two?
Yes.
If you born now, na the boy you go dey give attention pass or the girl?
Boy and girl, they are very important. So me, I not suppose say me parents support one, make dem leave the other one. So make dem give attention, the same attention to both of them. Whether na boy or na girl, make dem show the same love. Do you understand? Because be boy or girl, they are children.
Na both of them na both of them are the same.
Why?
All na pikin man na pikin, woman na pikin. Yes.
My name na Uche.
Uchelu. Oga Uche, na boy pikin parents suppose dey give attention pass girl?
All of them na pikin. All of them good.
So they're not supposed to give attention to one pass one?
At all.
You get boy and girl?
All of them, I get it.
Which one you they give attention pass?
All of that, they give them attention. Anything where the two, boy, the girl and the boy, they take care of them fine.
Parents suppose to give attention to boy child and girl?
Yeah, sure now. Both of them are from the parents.
So which one? They're supposed to give attention to the boy pass the girl?
Both of them need attention. But for the sake of the future, the male child need serious attention.
Why?
Needed serious attention because the female child just have a short time with the family.
You feel they knock out for pidgin, maybe people for us, may not be like say they confuse them small.
You know, say the female child, you just have a short moment with the family. If you don't pass 25 years and you never come out from house, I'm not sure say the mama go happy for that kind of condition.
Okay.
So when the child is very little, they have to do all they can before the female child reach 25 years.
Okay. So what's gonna make you say that the male?
So at the age of 25 now, if she don't matured, ripe, and they'll pick her away from the family now. But when you come to a male child, even if you don't reach 70 years, they still need them for the family. If the father no there, now he still represent the father. So the father must do all he can to make sure that the building with the culture of the family, with everything to represent the family.
So what happen when they not they build the girl for the culture of the family?
One man will just come and pick her away. He begin to answer the man's name.
Boy pikin, na persons or parents supposed to give attention pass girl pikin?
No. Before na girl na boy dey give attention pass girl. But now girl na business now. So women now, father and mother now they take care of girl now pass boy because of girl before 16 years time to open his own shop with the same bag of rice come village. Like girl now wey come Lagos now go get work easily pass man wey come Lagos. So I come Lagos na Agbora dey I never get work. For say dem give me attention well, for now I for don become one of the officer in Nigeria.
Parents suppose to give attention to boy pikin than girl.
Yes.
How you dey, sir?
Fine.
Parents suppose to give attention to boy than girl for family.
It's a boy that they're supposed to attend to respect him as a elderly of the houses. Yeah.
So they're supposed to give attention to boy than girl.
Yeah.
Why?
The reason why when maybe one of the father have a property, she is the one that he can fight the property from the family of a father.
You say she or he?
I mean the boy. She's going to fight the father property for your own family.
Baba Afana.
I did.
What be your name?
My name is Nice Town.
This one wey wear what they call am jacket jacko. Na inside see for come out.
No, I just dey chill with my guys for Lekki. I just dey come back right now.
You dey chill with your guys for Lekki? Me I dey chill with my guys for Oshodi.
Why you
say me I no get level?
No, everybody get level. Na how you take run yourself?
Na level small for where your own dey now. Because na Lekki you for come o. You know say me na Oshodi. Then I wan pack comot for there na sha. Na that Lekki side I go. How you see am?
You dey okay now? Na your money. You
go come join your guys for there.
Why you go dey pay money now?
No, not be your guys, not be your friends dey there.
If you come now.
As they go, no worry. Leave that one. Later we go talk that one for corner. You dey feel me? As they go, look my people. They look them. It's good make parents they pay attention to boy than girl for family.
You know good though.
Why?
Because right now this Nigeria, everything no dey attention now. Everything don scatter and the people sef dey suffer. You sef dey feel am, people sef dey suffer. Okay, see now Marwa, they wan banish Marwa now.
Okay.
Okada now, they wan comot am for Lagos state. Okay, they wan make Lagos come dey thief me.
I understand you. Now the reason why I no go make pay attention to boy, abi?
I swear.
Make you enjoy your day,
I dey okay oh, I dey.
Man pikin and woman pikin, which one papa and mama suppose dey train pass?
Na woman dey suppose train pass because na woman need proper care because we no fit expose our woman anyhow. Our female children, we need to dey take care of them very well. So we need to take care of our female child very very well oh.
So make dem take care of female child, leave me wey be male child. Why?
No say they go leave, but at least the
me dey talk so now. You say make dem leave me, make dem take care of you.
You are the refer say female they need proper care than
me.
No, not you.
Greet your people for us, sharp.
I greet everybody.
My country people. We sabi say every motor for road get the bus stop. Every service for house of God get closing prayer. Now here we go end the show for today. Make we go join Oga Big Tony for studio. Here wetin dem dey talk for that side. For those of una wey dey help us dey contribute on top social media, thank una well and make una continue to dey contribute. As they go, make you not forget to put your name as you dey do your contribution. My country people, time down the show we will go meet Oga Big Tony for studio. Here wetin dem dey do for that side. Make dem no vex. And here we go end the show for today. Don't touch that, make your finger for now.
Hello, my people. Now welcome back, gidigbaciously. Well, when I don't see what our people for street yarn about the topic. Some of them agree say it's not good make them treat boy girl differently. I mean boy child differently from girl child. But you got one element when I see some of them they mention when I go like make our guests here talk about. They say normally when father and papa don't born the children, the girls they go marry come up for house. Now the boys they always they remain for the house. Now they carry the family name. Now they take care of the parents. Now there be the people who be say they be like the pillar of the family when girls don't marry. Because once woman marry, be like say don't marry enter that family be that. Now boys they remain. Now they carry family name. So because of that one, they say they're supposed to treat men specially. Madam, you agree?
Be like say you don't put me for a tight corner for that place. Because true, when woman marry, they go meet her husband.
Yeah.
You go come out live in family.
Yes.
Man, some go marry you, go hire flat with a woman, they go there.
Yeah.
But that one not be say they not go to look back to their family, go to check their family. Some go sit down for the family house, say no. If I come out, this family not go stay together. They go there to take care of the family. Now true talk with that.
Yeah.
Say now man, now they take care of family. And now man, they hold the name of the family. Because when woman marry, you go throw away papa name for one corner. Now the husband name, now you go start to the bear. Now I make those some women these days, oh, they attach their papa name join husband name. So this name not go lose, not go lost, so
exactly.
They go put and join.
Yeah.
But true to talk, it good make we talk am.
Yeah.
For that area, man get special treatment for them.
Okay. Finally.
No,
finally, she don't agree.
To talk.
Yeah.
I don't agree finish it like I
I know, yeah.
To talk that place.
That particular aspect.
Man get special treatment.
Okay.
Now they make them, like I tell you before, say olden days, that they teach them how to know, that they train them for war to take protect
the family and the community. Yeah, you talk on.
Than that because of that name where they go hold. Say this name will shame not go come for
not true.
Now I make that training they did. Now I made them day special for that area.
Okay.
But we will not forget Queen Ami now.
Yeah, Queen Ami now of Zaria.
Queen Ami now a woman and
Queen India
of Benin.
Yeah.
Now a woman oh.
Yeah, true.
And then stand giddy battle. Yeah. So that one can't come together to tell us say, even though say society hold the belief say man get special treatment. But when you look this other one, when I just talk to these great women, when I just mentioned just now, you go there somehow where you talk say man get special treatment pass woman. Because what in man fit do, woman fit do. Some cases they do better.
Okay, now me I be somebody who believes okay, some level of equality get to do the matter, even despite the pressure when society they put on the man, when make it necessary for the man to get some special treatment. You know, good make that special treatment too day obvious so that you know give the man undue advantage over the woman. That's not my position. I'm not supposed to get opinion, but that's not my position. But now, at the look at what will be the ways when we go fit to ensure say this kind of treatment, that's this kind of equal treatment, they very, very achievable. At the look at now, say, what if we decide, say, from now on, Mokune they give our children name where they gender sensitive. More give names where boy and girl fi bear. So whether you be man or woman or all those kind of names like peace, boy if be peace, girl if be peace, blessing. But so any name when just be that kind of name where you know say if you're a man, more will stop to the give unto men. The one name when you go just hear, when you go just know citizen a woman, more will stop so that somehow the names go bring some neutrality. You should say that strategy go work.
If it work, but that's not one thing when I take like our Orobo people, Delta people. Delta Wado.
Hey.
I give you a hand for them.
Correct.
All the names where then they bear, woman they bear and man they bear.
Yeah.
they not get one name.
Onome na onome.
Onome na onome, ochuko na ochuko.
That's true.
For there.
Yeah.
Not only for we side for this area, Yoruba, Igbo. Now there you go here. Shegun. Shegun, woman, if you hear Shegun, now man, you go to take eye.
Exactly, not true. Not true.
By the time you go here another one, even you hear another Sheyi, now the same thing now it go be.
Yeah.
So as you talk until they start to they give that kind name when it be say, na woman no, na man no,
if you be around,
they go be around.
Yeah.
Maybe from there, unity go start to
come.
Enter there.
Yeah.
Small.
Yeah.
But know how, because this thing don't dig ground from time immemorial. Say man no, na waiting you be this.
Yeah.
Woman no, na waiting you be this. Even God, our Papa God, I give you handle. He make am say Adam go take care of Eve. So he don't dig ground, not be say we not fit comot am.
Exactly.
No, pata.
So even I discover say children, small children, the toys where they buy give boys.
Exactly.
It's different from the toys when girls they use.
You give a boy a baby now make it play, they go look the boy again.
So those things they there. You know if you go buy male toy give girl, they look at someone, you buy female toy.
When you give girl pikin gun, you hold on like they go say.
Which kind
one be? Wetin dey teach your pikin?
Okay, make we enter social media. I mean, not like say we neglect them. The time don't they go, so we'll just read only a few, maybe one or two. Nkechi Beyonce. I never heard this kind of before, but I'm sure I also never murdered the name. Nkechi Beyonce say, "He who has ears, let him listen." Mark Zuckerberg has 2 daughters. Barack Obama has 2 daughters. Kobe Bryant had 4 daughters. I heard that Dangote doesn't have a son. These are all great men who didn't get themselves and their spouses worked up over male children. With or without male children, they have impacted humanity in their different ways, and they have marked their names in history. They will be remembered long after they are gone for what they did and for what they did not do. Blah, 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 blah. He said, but one unknown man in one Nigerian village with no achievement whatsoever and no single use of humanity is frustrating his wife for not having male children. He is desperately looking for a male child to carry on his non-existent legacy and poverty-stricken him. This is very harsh. May God grant us sense, brain, and wisdom.
Wow.
Okay, what you got to talk about that one? Since some people they stress their wives, you must born male pikin. You must born male pikin.
My brother, now the same thing when the be say they don't put for our mind since now they make all these things they happen. I remember a whole doctor, a medical doctor for Benin those days. He married wife. The wife give him woman and children.
Yeah.
Now he vex.
Sure.
He go marry another one.
Hmm.
That one no call. He parent woman children put for grandfather.
Agba, let me say that the man blood.
He supposed know now. If we dey talk about our farmers.
Yeah.
Our bricklayers,
yes.
Go call the way they not sabi anything. Even me and you go say okay, the kind book we don dey waka dey do, go fit understand say na wetin you get to do be this way man pikin go take come your life.
Yeah.
Medical doctor. A gynecologist.
Agba.
Na he carry body dey
go marry
touch. They look for man pikin for where e no keep am. So that thing don dey ground tey. Even book sef no dey let some of them get sense. Because wetin you go say e happen.
Yeah.
If a gynecologist fit do that kind thing.
Yeah.
Wetin you go say make truck push out.
Urubuma go say it's unbeatable.
Hey, Owolo.
Okay, when we read Felix Anibaba on, he say yes. Okay, by yes he mean say yes, they're supposed to treat male and children. Male children, they're supposed to give them advantage or whatever. But I mean in the way you are thinking. Bros, which kind of English be this now? Girls today are abused, sex trafficked, sexualized, and undermined. The world also holds them to a certain standard. I feel like with girls, Teach them to be very careful of their surroundings. Okay, teach them to be very careful of their surroundings. Teach them about boys, using them for sex. Teach them about how they are expected not to be able to do certain things. Okay, this one the yarn say you're supposed to give girls some proper orientation about society, about the dangers of trafficking, using them as sex objects and all that. So
that one still come to wait till still say woman weak.
yes.
Now they try to do for them. So.
Yeah, that's true.
So he believe and say, man, they
tough.
They tough.
Man don't they prepared for these things, but for woman, you get to.
Now that place in they talk about now
yes.
say the person the woman then they weak.
Yeah.
Now we don't first talk that thing since. Woman must also they make them train them to get that toughness small.
Yeah.
If you not feel be say make it tough rich man.
Yeah.
But it go tough reach the point when it be say nothing.
Yeah, if you have gas, you can take care of yourself.
Jump.
Yeah, not true. Well, when I say as this topic they be so the topic sweet so say if they leave me an Auntie Perpetual for studio today, we'll talk on for the whole day. But you know as it they be now, anything when get beginning, it must get end. Now we don't reach the end of today's program. When I don't see as the topic be so, we agree say it gets some things when society don't put where they see as responsibilities of man. One are to carry the family name, one are to protect the family, one are to stay tough. So all those things, the kind of pressure what they put on man can make and they a bit necessary for man to get small special attention as they bring them up, so that you know go grow up, come become weak man. You go grow up to be man who go feel withstand those pressures when society put on them. But that will not mean say they go relegate women, go background. They come like saying a man, they're more important than woman. Because even they are women, they get their own special place for society. They get their role where they play. Some women self now they play some roles where men they play. Some women be breadwinner for family. So therefore, small balance get today there. As they try to bring up the boy, make it they strong, make it they bold, make it they that protective of family and all that. Bring up the woman to also know who she be, to know her rights, to be able to survive for this tough society where we dey so. Now there we go end today's program. But the way they see this topic, it be like say we go remix them. I'm gonna look forward to the part 2. Because this topic sweet well. So before I see you again by next episode, I'm gonna not find trouble. This now still in a show, Naija Tori, and my name na Big Tony, the face that runs the place. I go see you again.